Fix 1. Enable location services for Tinder. To enable location services for Tinder, follow the steps below. For iPhone, Step 1. Open the Settings app. Step 2. Tap on Privacy and Security Location Services. Step 3. Make sure Location Services is enabled. Step 4. In the app list, find Tinder and tap to enter. Step 5. Set it to while using the app or always. For Android, Step 1. Open Settings. Step 2. Select Location or Security and Privacy. Step 3. Make sure location is enabled. Step 4. Tap App Permissions Tinder and allow it to access location permissions. Fix 2. Refresh GPS data. Step 1. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security Location Services and turn it off. Step 2. Wait for 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Step 3. Open a map app like Apple Maps or Google Maps to check if your GPS is now displaying the correct location. Step 4. Relaunch Tinder to see if the issue is resolved. Fix 3. Log out and log back into Tinder account. Step 1. Open the Tinder app. Step 2. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner to go to Settings. Step 3. Scroll down and find the Logout option, then confirm to log out. Step 4. Close the Tinder app and reopen it. Step 5. Enter your account details to log back in and check if the location has been restored. Fix 4. Restart the phone and the Tinder app. If the above methods don't work, there may be memory or background issues with your phone or the Tinder app, causing location errors. Restarting your phone and the app can clear the background cache and restore normal functionality. For iPhone X, 11, 12, 13, or later, press and hold both the volume button and the side button until the power off slider appears. Slide the slider to turn off your device, then wait about 30 seconds for it to power off. To turn your device back on, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 6, 7, 8, or SE2 end or third generation, press and hold the side button until the power off slider appears. Slide the slider to turn off your device, then wait around 30 seconds for it to shut down. To turn your device back on, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone SE1 Street Generation 5 or earlier, press and hold the top button until the power off slider appears. Slide the slider to turn off your device, then wait about 30 seconds for it to shut down. To turn your device back on, press and hold the top button until the Apple logo appears. To restart the Android, Step 1. Press and hold the power button until the power options appear on the screen. Step 2. Select Restart or Reboot and confirm. Your phone will restart automatically. Fix 5. Update the Tinder app. Here is how to update the Tinder app. For iPhone, Step 1. Open the App Store app. Step 2. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Step 3. Scroll to the Available Updates section and tap the Update button next to the Tinder app. For Android, Step 1. Open the Play Store app. Step 2. Search for the Tinder app. Step 3. You should see the option to update the Tinder app on your Android phone. Fix 6. Clear Tinder app cache or reinstall the app. Step 1. Press and hold the Tinder app icon on your iPhone home screen. Step 2. Select Remove App and confirm by tapping Delete App. Step 3. Go to the App Store, search for Tinder, and reinstall it. Step 4. Log in and ensure location permissions are granted during the setup process. Fix 7. Contact Tinder support. Step 1. Open the Tinder app and tap your profile icon in the top right corner to go to Settings. Step 2. Scroll down and find Help and Support. Step 3. Select Contact Support and fill in the issue description. Step 4. Attach screenshots and details of the location issue, then submit the request.